In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Notion AI with this step-by-step guide. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to explore its AI capabilities, I'll walk you through the entire process, making it simple and seamless. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to the official Notion website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in www.notion.com. Once you're on their homepage, you'll find an option that says Get Notion Free or Sign Up. Click on it to begin creating your account. While you're signing up, you have a couple of options at your disposal. You can either enter your email address for a standard sign up, or if you prefer convenience, you can use your Google or Apple login details to create an account instantly. After entering the necessary information, you might be asked to verify your email. This step is crucial for setting up your account securely. So, go ahead and check your email inbox for a verification email from Notion. Just click the link provided in the email to verify your account and continue with the setup process. Once you've verified your email and logged in, you'll find yourself on your Notion workspace. Here, you'll need to navigate to Settings and Members. You can usually find this in the sidebar of your workspace interface. Within the Settings menu, look for the Plans section, or a similarly labeled option. This is where you'll manage your account's plan details. Now, to add the Notion AI feature, you might need to select a plan that supports it, which may involve a subscription fee. Carefully review the available plans and add the Notion AI add-on to the one that suits your needs. Once you've activated this feature, you'll have access to its amazing capabilities. To start using Notion AI, it's quite straightforward. Just open any page in Notion and then type "What AI?" You can also look for the AI icon on the page interface and click on it. This will unlock a host of new functionalities that can help streamline your tasks, enhance productivity, and add a touch of AI magic to your workflow. Remember, if you run into any issues during this process, Notion support offers great resources and assistance. With these instructions, you're well on your way to mastering Notion AI and leveraging it to make your workflow more efficient and enjoyable. I hope this guide has made the sign-up process clear and easy for you. Make sure to explore all the features and let your creativity flow with Notion AI. Thanks for tuning in.